Hi everyone. In this video I am going to share about how I pick or select stocks for investing. And this is a third video in stock market for beginners. Again, this is a disclaimer. We are not SEBI registered. We are not financial advisor or researcher. These videos are made only for the educational purpose. We are not responsible for any loss or gain. Welcome to MoneyGuide. For any building construction, how the foundation should be strong. In the same manner, while we pick a stock from stock market, these five elements are very important, which are like foundation for the stock selection for investing. Those five elements are about the business of the company, fundamentals of the company, technicals, how the stocks we have to pick from the companies, how to invest in the market. Now let us discuss one by one. In screener, about column will be there. There we can go through about the business of the company, their products, etc. By reading this, we can get an idea about what the business is company doing, what are the products it produce, is there any future growth in the company, how long this business will be survive in the future. Everything we can analyze here. For example, we all use lights, fans, etc. in our home. Why we will use particular company's light or fans? Because as per the price it is good, as per quality it is best, as per durable it is long life, as the model it looking good. Like that we analyze and purchase that particular product of particular company. In the same manner, we have to analyze every company and take the decision wisely. Second one is fundamental analysis. In fundamental analysis, we have different statements of peer comparison. It is used to compare different parameters with the peer companies. In profit and loss statement, we can see sales growth from year on year basis or last year's basis, its margins, its net profits, etc. In balance sheet, we can check the fixed assets, their investments, their liabilities, etc. In cash flow statement, there are three activities. One is from operating activity, investing activity, and financing activity. As an investor, first we have to check operating activity. It is increasing on year basis, means it is very good. Shareholding pattern. Companies promoters holding should be more than the public, and FIS and DIS also should be more. Then it is a good company. Third one is technical analysis. I am using TradingView for technical analysis. In this, there will be a charts, price up and down, volume, time frame, indicators, strategies, etc. For strategies, entry of the stock, exit, and stop loss, I will make a separate video. After these three steps, fourth one is stock selection. In screener, we have an option screen. There we can list as per our requirement as sectorial wise, or we can use the formulas or other parameters to get stocks as per our requirement. These are the watch list of large, mid and small cap stocks. As per our requirement, we can select few stocks and we invest. And finally, last fifth one is how to invest in these stocks. I already make a video on this second part of this playlist, how to invest money in large, mid and small cap. Please check out it. I'll give in the end cards. And whatever the approach it may be, pyramid, bottom up approach, whatever name it is, this is the approach I generally follow, and I invest the money in the stock market. And most of my videos are did on basis of this only. Please go through it. Do you feel the information provided in this video is helpful? Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Keep learning, keep earning. Thank you.